today is something called multiplying or dividing by numbers that are called powers of 10. So a number that's powers of 10 is just one that starts with a 1 and has zeros after it. So it could be 1 by itself, or 10, or 100, or 1,000, so on and so on, all the way through the trillions. So it's actually a pretty simple process. So if you take a look at this one here, 17 times 10,000, in order to multiply this, really all you're going to do is set up my, there we go. All we're going to do is we're going to put the number first. So in this case, we're multiplying 17 times a power of 10. So we'll put 17 down. Then when you do times a power of 10, all you're going to do is count how many zeros are in that power of 10. So in this one, it happens to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I'm going to do is take the 17 and put 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after it. And we'll put our commas in. So 17 times 10,000 is 170,000. So I was going to pull my calculator up here and show you that 17 times 10,000 equals 170,000. So it's pretty easy to multiply times a power of 10. So here's another one here. 265 times 100. 100 is a power of 10 because it's a 1 with zeros after it. So all we do is we put down the number that we're multiplying by, and in this case we're going to put 1, 2 zeros at the end of it, and put our comma in. So 265 times 100 is 26,500. Now what about division? Well, division is just the opposite of multiplication. So instead of adding zeros to this number, we're going to take them away. So in this case, I'm taking 91,000 and I'm dividing it by a power of 10, which just happens to be 10. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my number down, 91,000. And if I divide by 10, all I'm going to do, since it has 1 0, is take 1 0 away. So I'm going to have to redo my comma there. So 91,000 divided by 10 is 9,100. Let's try another one. 10,400 divided by 100. Okay, well, division, we're going to take zeros away, so we're going to do 10,400. And since I'm dividing by 100 this time, I'm going to take away 2 zeros. So 1, 2, and then of course get rid of my comma. So 100 or 10,400 divided by 100 is 104. So that's how you do multiplying or dividing by powers of 10.